Welcome, welcome, welcome. How to scalp gold. In this video, I will show you a similar method to what I have already shown you in my previous video, that is called Gold Scalp King Strategy. If you did not watch that video, I will put links below in comment section. You can watch it. It is very good video. This is similar, but I make it harder, or I make different rules to enter, because if you saw that video, we are waiting for engulfing candle for confirmation, but as I've said from that video, it is not necessary. This strategy can be tweaked, upgraded, and here it is. Maybe you will like this even more than the previous one. So, what do we need for this strategy? Also, first of all, I want to tell you, do not just watch some video on YouTube and go trade it. You need to backtest this. You need to try it for yourself if it fits your personality, if it's for you. But since you are looking for scalping, I think that you are fine with price being fast on 1 minute, and because we will be trading this on 1 minute and on 1 hour. So 1 hour will be for waiting for our setup and 1 minute will be for executions. So what I have here, I have 50 moving average, so length is 50 moving average. Then I have TDI indicator. On TradingView, you will go on indicators and type TDI, and you will use this, or this is what I am using. Now I change settings. The RSI period, it's on 5. On default it is on 21, but for this strategy I change it on 5. The style, you can copy and paste this. I have this upper band, lower band, slow EM, slow MA, and I have these levels. So first level is 20 and another level is 80. It's like RSI levels. So these are indicators for this strategy, and what I'm waiting for, first of all, on 1 hour, I'm waiting for this green line to cross above or below this blue line, but it also have to be above or below these RSI levels. So it have to be above 80 or below 20. So not only we are waiting for this green line to cross above or below blue line, and then we are waiting for strong reversal, it also needs to be below or above 80 on or 20. So for example, this is good example. As you can see, the price went down and now we see strong reverse. It is also below 20, and as you can see, it went up. But this is 1 minute, so it is different on 1 hour. So this is first. This is what we will be waiting for on 1 hour. Now, when we have this setup on 1 hour, we will go on 1 minute. We will wait for the price to be under or above 50 moving average, and then final step, we will wait for break of the market structure on 1 minute. So as you can see, my rules are pretty strict. I do not give a chance. These rules needs to be met, otherwise I do not care, I don't trade. So show me these rules and I'm interested. If you don't give me these rules, I don't care. So I could create some example, but I will go in some point of time in past on 1 hour. So this is 1 minute, so I'm going back, and let's do it more, because on TradingView the data, usually when you go in past on TradingView you want to use 1 minute. Then I will also remove any drawing I had here. On TradingView, when you go in past on 1 minute, or you want to see 1 minute, then it will say data unavailable, you need to start again. That is why I have to do it this way on 1 minute. So I think we are good. For example here. And we go on 1 hour and we will watch TDI indicator. So now what needs to happen is this green line have to cross above or below blue line. So this blue line needs to be broken, and it also have to be under 20 or above 80. And then we have to see some strong reversal, for example like this, or not, this is not this, as you can see, strong reversal. Then or this is even better, as you can see, look, it went up, very good. So this is first that needs to happen. And we are above 80, so that is good, but we still need to break this blue line. We don't get it, so and we don't get it, and we get it now. As you can see, we break blue line and we are above 80. So and this is change of the day, so this is not a good time to trade. As you can see, this is change of the day, so when the day is changing, the broker will open your spreads most likely, and where this is really not a good idea to trade when the day is changing on 1 minute. So we are still waiting on 1 hour. Now we are above 80, but we did not break our, and we are below 20. We break this blue line and we are moving up. So now what we will do is we go on 1 minute, and as we can see, the price is above 50 moving average, so that is good. And at this point, the final step, we would wait for it to break this market structure, or this. So this needs to be broken, as you can see, latest market structure. So I will have my pending order already set up, and if we break it, then I will target, I don't know, 121, 122. Let's see. So well, it is moving slowly, but we hit our 122. So our rules were met. As you can see, very strict moves, but they need to be met. Otherwise, I do not care. You want to have the best setup. You are patient and waiting for best setup, even if it's different strategy. You waiting for the best. You do not trade if you are hesitating. You do not trade if you don't like it. Even this strategy is not guaranteed. Even if all of these rules are met, it's not like 100% always. But these rules are very strict, and I'm following them. And let's see what are my results. So far we have one trade, one profitable. So and let's see what happened. Well, then it went down, so 1 to 2 was good. When I'm 1 to 1, I put my stops to break even, sometimes even sooner. When I'm on daily time frame, for example, I put my stops to break even sooner. But on 1 minute, when I'm 1 to 1, my stops are to break even. So let's go on 1 hour and trading view freezes or what? 1 hour. So let's wait on 1 hour for our next setup. That's it. So we need to break above or below 20 or 80, and we also need to break that blue line. If I don't click on it that fast, I could catch this. Well, alright, so whatever. I did not, I missed it, so it's fine. So I'm still waiting, and again, why I am clicking on it so fast. So, let's see, we are reversing, as you can see, we are below 20. RSI, we break, blue line, and now we are reversing. So now we go on 1 minute, we see that the price is above 50 moving average, and we also need to see break of this latest structure. So this is the latest structure, this is the latest resistance area where the price is reacting. I want it to be broken on 1 minute. That is another confirmation. So my pending order is already set, meaning when the price will break this, my trade is activated, and my stops would be maybe bigger, because the stops, you can put your stops below 50 moving average or below the latest market structure. So for example, this market structure, that means that or what I mean by market structure is simply higher highs and higher lows. So this is higher high and this is higher low. So under this I'm putting my stops, and what do we have? Well, we already got our 1 to 2. Now we are 1 to 1. So at this point I will close a partial profit, and my stops are break even, and my targets will be 1, 2, 3. Because the price may go down at this point, so I'm closing partial to have at least something. I could close it sooner. I was almost 1 to 2, but we are now here. As you can see, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 11, 12. It's already 15 minutes. We are scalping. We are not waiting hours for this trade. It's scalping. We are in and out very fast. And as you can see, we close partial and we hit 1 to 3 risk to reward. So another trade, very good. Another profitable trade. The rules were met. As you can see, these rules are not playing. These rules are not playing. Again, if you watch my RSI video, RSI scalping video, I think the latest video I made, then you would understand that using a higher time frames and going on and executing on lower time frames is very good way to do. Because let's say you are trading just break and retest on 4 hour. So let's see. I will show you something here, or I will let's say that on 4 hour you are trading break and retest. So now the price went up and you are waiting for a retest of this, and now you see at this point on 4 hour that the price is retesting this area, or you just see some candle that is going up, and you tell yourself, well, this is nice break and retest. So you can, for example, on 4 hour put your stops below, targets above, and what can happen on 4 hour, the price then can go up, for example like this, and then it can reverse and hit your stop loss. But what can you do is you can, when the price is here, you can go on 1 minute, and this small move, you can just use again market structure. So price now started to make higher highs, higher lows. These small moves can be, for example, 1 to 1, 1 to 2, 1 to 3 risk to reward, and you do not care if on 4 hour the price will then reverse. That is a beauty of using higher time frames for waiting for your setup and using lower time frames to execute. So I will do more trades. I'm not sure how long is this video, but and I don't know if you like these longer videos when I'm explaining it more in depth, or you would rather want to see some shorter videos with perfect examples when I'm not going that much in depth. Let me know. But again, we are waiting for, we are on 1 hour, yes. We are now below 20, and we are waiting for break of this blue line. It did not break, so we are not interested. And now this is nice. As you can see, this green line break this 8 RSI. It also break this blue line, so we are waiting for some reversal, and we get that. So we go on 1 minute, and what do we have? We can see that the price is below, and we also break this structure. So at this point, I'm placing my order. Oh yes, I'm selling, and did we hit it? No, we don't hit it. And at this point, I would close this trade when it moves down, because we break this 50 moving average, and I'm now closing it with a small profit, because as you can see, I was for a few minutes in profits. Then we reverse to the upside. We break these structures on 1 minute. We also break this 50 moving average. So if I see this, I'm closing it. Even though, as you can see, it went down, but I close it. So this is just a really small profit. But as you can see, it worked again, at least 1 to 1. And it is still moving down, as you can see. So these rules are serious rules. They are here for profits. So again, I will do one more trade, and I will end this video with that trade, because I think you get it. I will then just explain again these rules so you understand it, if you still have some doubts. And on 1 hour, as you can see, we break this, we break 80, and now we have very big reversal. So we go on 1 minute. On 1 minute we are below 50 moving average, and we are waiting for price to break this latest market structure, and that's another confirmation that the price will be moving down. So here is my pending order, meaning that when the price go down, it automatically activate my sell. Well, so at this point I'm canceling it, and this is exactly why it is good to wait on 1 minute to break of the market structure, because when we break this latest market structure, meaning lower lows, as you can see, we made on 1 minute lower low, lower high, lower low, and lower high. So now I was waiting for market structure to be broken, because when we see on 1 minute that we break this latest lower low, then we most likely will see that the market will make another lower low and another lower high. That is the reason why we are waiting on 1 minute for a break of the market structure. If we don't get it, then that's fine, we don't care, because there will be more setups. Again, we break 20, we break this blue line, we are now reversing on 1 hour. Let's go on 1 minute. We are on 1 minute above our 50 moving average, and we are waiting for what? For this to be broken, because we have what? Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So what I'm expecting is this, and for example this, and then another move to the upside. And that is why I'm waiting on 1 minute again to break of the market structure. So again, my pending order is here, and 1 to 1. 1 to 1 was it. If you don't know what to target, then just watch left. As you can see, the reason why price reacted to this area is because we have on the left, as you can see, so you may expect that the price will react. You may be like to target 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4, but you need to understand that this market do not care about your 1 to 10 risk to reward. You need to also be realistic and expect where the price will be reacting. That is why, as you can see, it reversed. I just closed with 1 to 1. And we get as far as 1 to 2, but I closed with 1 to 1 because exactly this is what what would most likely happen. The price will make pullback. It could make some bigger pullback, and we would be break even, but it did not, and we are 1 to 1. So free trades, free in profit. As you can see, these rules are what they are. Tell me what they are. I think very good. So again, we have 50 moving average. We have TDI indicator. We have these settings, upper band, lower band. This we have 2 levels, 20 and 80. Just copy and paste it. We have RSI period on 5. Now, on 1 hour, we are waiting for this green line to cross above or below this blue line, and it also have to cross above or below 20 or 80 RSI. If we get it, then we are waiting for some reversal, for example like this, some strong reversal. So what you want to see is move up, and when it starts reversing immediately, not like it move up and now it's going sideways and then it decides to reverse. we do not have time to wait for this green line to play with here for 1 hour and then reverse. Now it needs to reverse immediately. It has to be this move. So boom, 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 boom. All right. Then if we see this on 1 hour, we go on 1 minute and on 1 minute. We are waiting for, so if we are moving up, the price have to be above 50 moving average, and then we are waiting for break of the market structure, of the latest market structure, of the latest higher low or higher high or lower low and lower high. So again, boom, boom, and at this point we can set our pending order because the market will most likely go up. And that's it for this strategy. So let me know what do you think about the strategy. Go and backtest it. If you did not understand something, then watch this video again. I think I explained it very well. Also, I have other videos on Forex. I will be also uploading another videos that are about wealth, not just Forex, but most of my videos are on Forex. However, Streams of Wealth is more than just a Forex. Again, go backtest it, go and train with it, and let me know if you have any questions. Let me know below this video. I will answer that if I know the answer. And that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. It is my intention that this video will help you in every way, will be only positive and helpful for you. And that's it for this video. I wish you all the best and goodbye.